How many of you have started this carnivore journey thinking that you were going to be losing weight? I know I have. That's sort of the main reason I got into this, because I thought that all my problems will be healed if I just lose the weight. The belly fat, extra fat hanging around those parts of your body, especially as a man, the fat that accumulates in the breast tissue, giving you sort of like man boobs or gynecomastia. As much as I'm struggling with weight loss, the benefits that I have seen so far outweigh that weight loss goal by tenfold. And I'm not being real with myself. I know that there's something that's in my diet that's not allowing me to lose the weight as quickly as I'd like to. Now, some of the benefits that I've experienced so far, from physical to mental. Physical, my back pain, gone. My lower back used to hurt so bad. I would have to lay down. I would have to stretch off the edge of the bed. I would have to go to chiropractors, massages, you name it. I've tried it. Heat exposure, sauna, steam room. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about if you've experienced excruciating back pain where at some points I couldn't even work. Or if I was at work, it was affecting my mood and my energy. That is gone. Look, I'll tell you a real story. I got into a car accident the other day, which I spoke about in a video. And I hurt my shoulder in that accident and my neck area. So I started going to a chiropractor again. I feel like chiropractor can be more of like homeopathic way instead of going, or a homeopathic way of healing, as opposed to a doctor who will probably prescribe painkillers and eventually possibly surgery. If I needed surgery, then so be it. But I'm under the impression that I can probably heal this naturally. I've been going to chiropractors for the longest time, since I can remember, since the age of 13, and I'm 40 now. I've been to a chiropractor at least once per year in every city and every state that I lived in. That would be the only doctor that I would see more often than my general practitioner. He had me fill out a survey asking me where I sensed pain. And funny enough, lower back pain, which I used to circle and I used to put excruciating, numbness, sharp, burning, all those descriptive words for my back pain, I used to put that on there, gone. I didn't even have to write it this time. And the doctor kind of looked at me and he was like, "You don't have lower back pain?" He was expecting me to have lower back pain because probably 99% of the people that go in there have lower back pain. And they don't realize that a lot of that back pain is literally due to the drugs that are in our food, the inflammation that they're suffering from that's causing the inflammation, or a lot of inflammation in the vertebra area, the vertebrae area. So I was kind of shocked myself, but I was like, "No, doctor, I don't have any lower back pain. I'm actually fine there." Normally, I'd be bending over and I would almost black out from the back pain because I'm like holding my breath. That's completely gone. Enough about the back pain. That was just such a major contributor into the deterioration of my mental health and my physical health that I felt the need to speak about it longer. But anyway, let's get into the major point of this video. I'm going to be cutting out dairy from my diet. The only dairy that I'm going to be experimenting with at this point is a little bit of raw milk in my coffee in the morning, but I'm probably eventually going to cut that out as well. I think the dairy in my diet is unnecessary at this point, and I think it's causing me to either store a lot of unnecessary weight or just continue to put on a little bit of extra fat that I don't really need. I think I'm just going to stick to ruminant animals. I'm going to do some chicken here and there because I do enjoy chicken wings, and a little bit of seafood. I work for a caviar company, so caviar is definitely on the menu because I love caviar and I think it's so beneficial. Fancy carnivore. I think cutting out dairy is going to be a major factor into my weight loss. So I'm starting this journey Tuesday, actually, if I may be honest with you guys. I have a Passover event coming up on Monday for those who celebrate Passover. I'm not a religious guy, but when my family is having Passover dinner, I'm not going to pass it over. Haha. So I'm actually bringing caviar and some creme fraiche to that event. So I will be combining those two because I do like the combination of that. I don't eat this way all the time. It's literally like a delicacy for me. First of all, because it's really expensive. And really, that's the only reason, because it's really expensive. If I could, I would eat like this all the time. So I'm going to be experimenting on myself because I don't know about you guys. I'm struggling with the weight loss. And when I compare myself to other YouTubers and other people that are in the platform that do interviews with YouTubers, and the first thing they say is they dropped 30 pounds in the first 10 minutes. I'm like, how the heck did you do that? That's not happening to me. And I'm a comparison kind of person. So that part of it is making me think, oh, is this diet good for me? But then I forget all the benefits that I'm getting from it. The back pain is gone. The brain fog is gone. My mood is up. My mental clarity, which has to do with my brain fog. My cravings are gone for sweets and carbs and acid reflux, skin itching, skin rashes, body pain, inflammation. These are just a few of the things that I don't have to think about anymore on a daily basis because they don't affect me anymore. So I'm going to be cutting out dairy. I'm going to update you guys, let you know how that has been helping me throughout the journey. I'm documenting it to see if that is actually the reason why I haven't lost weight. So since I have these 60 days of strict carnivore and I haven't lost more than like 5 pounds, I'm going to see if maybe cutting out the dairy is going to accelerate that weight loss, because I am trying to lose weight. I am trying to lose belly fat. Clothes fits a lot better, but I want to see it on the scale. I want to see it. You know what I mean? And that's the video, guys. So I will post another video about I'm going to do 7 days because I want to see what 7 days brings. And even if I lose 1 pound, 2 pounds, 3 pounds in that journey, I'm going to attribute that to the fact that I'm not doing dairy anymore in the form of cheese. I like cottage cheese. I like sour cream. I like cheese. I think I said that already. But I'm going to leave those things out and see if that works and see if there's a difference. I'll be taking progress pictures. I'm going to do the scale. I know a lot of people are like, yo, don't measure yourself. Don't weigh yourself. I get it. I do. I really don't weigh myself very often. But when I do, I'm still the same freaking weight. So I'm not upset about that, but it's a little bit discouraging because that's like the main reason I got into this, and everything else is healing. Maybe one day I will grow up and realize weight's not a big deal, but it's a personal goal for me. And that's what I want. So I'm going to try it out, see how it goes, and I'll keep you guys posted. Comment down below if you've had experiences with cutting out dairy from your diet, and if that has accelerated the main reason why you got into the carnivore diet. Has it hurt you? Has it helped you? Thank you guys for subscribing to this channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. God bless you and peace.